Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to download Bereal in Android. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first and foremost, to download Bereal in Android, all you need to do is simply tap open your Play Store. Once you open it, in the search bar type in Bereal. After this, you will find the Bereal app, so simply tap on it and tap on the install button. Once the installation takes place, it will start to download in your mobile phone. So once the downloading process is completed, now the Bereal app will get installed in your device as well. So after the installing is also done, you can simply open your Bereal from the Play Store itself, or you can go in the home screen and check it out and tap it open from the home screen. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.